Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining. I am Jeremy Lowe, and I'm an undergraduate researcher at NC State University. I'm excited to share some of our work with you. For a bit of background, there have been recent calls for a practice of transformative wash and wash interventions. As part of this, these interventions specifically should target the reduction of animal fecal contamination in household environments. However, little research has been done that develops robust indicators that represent behaviors of animal feces management to be used in interventions. Our work focuses on exploring existing poultry feces management behaviors in this context of rural Western Uganda, along with developing robust indicators of these behaviors and subsequently investigating their social determinants for this context. The data used in this study comes from a baseline survey of a randomized control trial of a poultry management intervention in rural Western Uganda. We used various exploratory data analysis methods, first starting by developing a conceptual framework of poultry feces management behaviors that was informed by literature review. The indicators in this framework were then vetted using scale development methods, including item reduction analysis and factor analysis. With our most robust indicators, we examined their social determinants for this context using logistic regression. Looking at the conceptual framework shown in Figure 1, we have self-report and observable indicators representing various behaviors. The full list of indicators can be seen in the middle column of the framework, and I'll be happy to discuss them at length later. Again, the focus of our research is on these specific feces management practices noted by the area inside the dashed rectangle. Existing practices for this study site in Uganda can be seen in the results in Table 1. One important thing to note is that households, for the most part, self-report letting poultry roam freely during the day, but then keep them in their home, whether it be their kitchen or bedroom, at night. But as I'll note later, there are concerns for these self-reported indicators. Next, Table 2 in the results section displays the significant determinants of 3 key indicators using logistic regression models. We consistently see the number of chickens owned having a significant positive association with observed enclosure presence, poultry feces occurrences, and free-roaming poultry, suggesting that this is a key determinant across many poultry feces management behaviors. For our key findings, we're seeing that our self-reported indicators are often not as robust as observable indicators. Particularly, a number of households that report corralling chickens in a day still had chickens free-roaming. Additionally, there were challenges for observed indicators in which many households that had observed enclosure had a significant positive association with the number of free-roaming chickens, and many did not even report using it. Additionally, there is potential for future research to explore the reliability of the free-roaming poultry and poultry feces occurrences indicators, as there may be potential for these to vary over the course of a day. Thank you for attending, and if you have any feedback to offer on the indicators, please use the QR code linked at the bottom.